I love finding new ways to decorate our outdoor spaces. I recently partnered with Tsun Lighting and I'm excited to try out their solar garden lights. They come in a set of 2 or 4 and installation is a breeze. Assemble by simply snapping the pieces in place. On the bottom of the solar panel, you'll find a button you'll hold for 5 seconds and that will activate the solar light. Finish by securing the solar panel to the top of the pieces. They also come with optional brackets in case you want to secure it to a base, like a deck. Now to figure out the perfect spot, one option was to sprinkle them in this larger flower bed. Giving added light to these steps up to our back deck was another option. The third option was to stagger them up the front walk. Each lamp is adjustable in height and has several color options. Don't forget to use Martha20 for 20% off. How fun is this?